हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो सब लोग। आज आपके लिए लाई हूँ एक नया वीडियो विद न्यू टॉपिक। आज जो अपना सब्जेक्ट है वो सब्जेक्ट का नाम है बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट। इन बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट वी आर गोइंग टू डू द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट to understand you guys ki actually how the business environment is there in our competitive market. So the very first basic concept that you have to study, that is SWOT analysis. Basically बहुत सारे analysis है, like SWOT है, pestle analysis है. Here we are going to do step by step as the importance of the analysis. First, we will just split the word what is SWOT analysis. S stands for over here the strength. अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे strength लिखा है तो what do you mean by actually strength over here? Here the strength means strength of the company. Suppose मेरी company, हम लोग एक एक SWOT analysis को एक एक example के साथ relate करते हैं. If my own company is there and what will be my own strength? Like मेरा बहुत अच्छा infrastructure है. There are various resources available to my organization. They are like superpower, like different types of skilled employees in my organization. Each and everything is proximity to the market, that means nearness to market. So the best infra that is my organization is having, with different types of inventory, with different warehouses. So I'm having each and every facility that the company should have to the organization itself and to also the employees. So that will be counted as the strength of my organization. If I'm talking about W stands for over here weaknesses. now हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि weaknesses क्या क्या हो सकते हैं कंपनी का. यहाँ पे weaknesses like they will be limited resources, they are not as per skilled labor as per company's expectation, limited funds are available with the organization. So what is this, guys? This stands for the weaknesses of the organization. O stands for your opportunities. Now as an organization, if I'm entrepreneur, there will be many opportunities for me. Suppose there is one of the marketing manager who has come up with this innovative idea, like for innovative product. If I want to add on some different types of products to my existing product line where the other competitors is lacking behind, so that lackness of that competitor will be my opportunities to grab in this competitive market. So what is that? That will be the opportunity for my company. And what is the threat now? Threat, the meaning of threat means danger activity. Now what can be the threat to my organization if my same product, if my same services is coming up with some other firm in the same market with the similar products and services? Obviously that will be a threat to me. So guys, this is what about the SWOT analysis. This is one of the strategic tool used by the organization just to evaluate what is strength of the organization, what can be the weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Thank you so much, guys. Now based on this SWOT analysis, in the next video we are going to come up with different types of case study, like what will be the SWOT analysis for different companies or different competitors. So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करो, कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और डेफिनेटली शेयर करना मत भूलना. Thank you so much guys for watching and stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.